everyone, I'm Nick with STEK-USA, and today we're here at Metropolitan Detail in Redmond, Washington. Behind me is a 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance, and this vehicle has the new facelift that this car received in 2024. The owner of this vehicle wanted to make it their own and is getting a full STEK treatment today, getting our Dino Gray fashion film all over the whole car, Dino shade on the headlights, and our ACTIONseries tint all around. As the team at Metro works their way around this vehicle, we're starting to get our first look at the color change going down with this Dino Gray paint protection film. If you're not familiar, our Dino Gray paint protection film is part of our Fashion Film series, and all of these films are TPU-based true paint protection films utilizing the same technology that you get in our clear films like DYNOshield. So you're getting protection from rock chips, scratches, and other contaminants in the environment looking to damage your paint, all while getting a color change, which is a pretty sweet package if you ask me. One of the other unique benefits of all of our paint protection film is the nano ceramic-infused top coat. On our clear films, this means you get great optical clarity, really enhancing the factory paint on your car. And on our colored films, like on this Tesla here, you're getting real paint-like depth from those color change films. Now, this also creates a hydrophobic top layer, meaning your car stays cleaner longer and is easier to clean when you go to clean it. Let's show you. To keep your vehicle's paint protected out on the road, all of our film is puncture resistant, keeping you protected from rock chips and other things that are looking to penetrate your paint. Now, we've got a piece of Dino Gray here that we've been installing on this car, so we're gonna show you what that looks like using a sharp object here. The team at Metropolitan Detail has completed the install on this Model 3 Performance, and I've got to say, it looks like a whole new car. From the Dino Gray paint protection film to the Action window tint and finishing off with that light protection film, the owner really spec'd out a nice package for this car, and it completely transformed the look of the vehicle. Let's check it out. If you're in the greater Seattle area and need any paint protection film for your car, be sure to check out Metropolitan Detail here in Redmond. They do great work and you can trust your car is in good hands. For more info on any STEK products, whether it be our paint protection film, window tint, or light protection film, check us out online at stek-usa.com and on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We'll see you in the next one.